Hello everyone. In last lecture we discussed types of electrode. In this lecture we discuss single electrode potential. First, at present there is no method to calculate any single electrode potential. For this purpose only difference between two electrode potential can be calculated. Here we write down first electrode. For example, first electrode is coupled with another electrode. Here we write down this is first electrode A is coupled with another electrode number second. This combines two electrodes to give a cell. For this purpose, the difference between potential can be calculated. For example, first electrode, the potential of first electrode is not known. Therefore, second electrode is known potential electrode. For example, it is called as reference electrode. Reference electrode. And the potential of first electrode can be calculated. Therefore, we write down here this is unknown potential. Unknown potential. And this is reference electrode is also called as known potential electrode. Known potential. Then first unknown electrode electrode is combined with known electrode potential, then to form a cell, and the difference between two electrode potential can be calculated and we get a single electrode potential, that is first one. Okay, now the derivation start. In this derivation, the reference electrode is used as SH electrode, that is standard hydrogen electrode, is also known as, this is short form of standard hydrogen electrode. Standard hydrogen electrode. Is called as SHE electrode, and this electrode is combined with unknown potential electrode, and the difference between two can be calculated by potentiometrically. Okay, and first we know that the known potential of standard hydrogen electrode, then next calculate the potential of first electrode. Okay, here we write down the cell reaction for standard hydrogen electrode. First platinum electrode dash H2 gas at 1 atmospheric pressure or 1 bar. We all know that writing 1 bar, and H2 gives H plus ions in aqueous solution, and the concentration is activity A is equal to 1 for hydrogen. In bracket we write down. Here we consider a second electrode, that is unknown potential of this electrode. Here write down for this second electrode cell reaction. Consider Mn plus ions metal electrode. This is metal electrode is dipped in its own ionic solution, that is Mn plus in aqueous. These two electrode, this is first electrode and this is reference electrode as it is second electrode, and these two electrode combine to form a cell reaction and the calculate a single electrode potential, that is first one, because second one is it is known electrode. Here we write down the cell reaction for this combined two electrodes. First, write down known electron reaction. Platinum is dipped H2 gas 1 bar. Here write down in this way in starting, because combining two cell reaction, platinum H2 gas 1 bar, in bracket 1 bar, pressure is 1 bar, combined H plus in aqueous solution, activity is equal to 1, and this combined with another cell, that is metal electrode Mn plus, gives, this is in aqueous and this is metal electrode solid. Okay, this is cell reaction for combining two electrode. Now we calculate the Nernst equation for this reaction. In left side, we all know that in last lecture we discussed oxidation occurs in left side and reduction occurs in right side, because Mn plus 1 electron to gives reduction, that is this metal electrode we give. And next here write down the cell reaction for this combining cell reaction. First, oxidation at left, oxidation occurs at left, that is H2, we write down in bracket 1/2 H2 to gives H plus ions. In aqueous, this is H2 gas, aqueous plus 1 electron, or n number of electron we write down here, n number of electron, because in second electrode n number of electrons are present, therefore we write down n number of electrons out of the bracket. Next is reduction reaction for this right side reaction, that is Mn plus number of electrons is n number of electrons, n electron to gives metal in solid. Here put up aqueous. Okay, this is two cell reaction, left side occurs oxidation and right side occurs reduction. Then net reaction is given as follows. Here in bracket multiply number of electrons, that is n, then we calculate this to loss of electron, therefore to loss of electron, this n number of electron, this n number of electron get cancelled. Here we write down 1/2 H2 plus Mn number of electron, that is Mn plus in left side to gives in right side multiply by n, therefore we write down n by 2, and here n number of H plus ions plus metal solid, and this is aqueous, write down the state, and here M in aqueous and this is gas. Here we write down in above of the blackboard. The net cell reaction is N by 2 H2 gas plus Mn plus aqueous to gives NH plus in aqueous solution plus metal in solid. This is net reaction for this combining electrode. Okay. Now this is the cell reaction, that is N by 2 H2 gas plus Mn plus aqueous gives NH plus aqueous plus metal solid. For this cell reaction we calculate Nernst equation. Firstly write down reaction question for this cell reaction. Q is equal to activity of H plus ions power to the raise n into activity of metal upon activity of H2 gas n by 2, write down here, to the power of activity n by 2 into activity of metal to the power Mn plus. Okay, this is reaction question for this reaction. Next we calculate Nernst equation. What is Nernst equation? Is equal to E naught minus 2.303 RT NF log of Q to the base 10. This is Nernst equation. We write down equation number first. We know the value of Q. Put up this value in the Nernst equation. Therefore, the equation is equal to E naught minus 2.303 RT NF log of this value, put up activity of H plus ions raised to the power n into activity of M upon activity of H2 to the raised to the power n by 2 into activity of Mn plus. But we know that the pressure of H2 gas for this cell reaction is 1 atmospheric pressure. Pressure is 1 atmospheric or 1 bar, and the concentration of H2 H plus ions is A is equal to 1. We know that in the cell reaction. Therefore, this value becomes 1 and this value becomes 1. Therefore, write down the Nernst equation is equal to E naught minus 2.303 RT NF log of this value becomes 1. Therefore, only write down log of activity of metal electrode, that is activity of M upon activity of Mn plus. Okay, to the base 10. This is equation number 2. Okay. Next, we all know that EMF of the cell we can calculate it again. E cell is equal to E right side minus E left side. Therefore, write down the formula E right side minus E left side. In this cell reaction, right side the cell is the right side cell is or metal electrode and left side is standard hydrogen electrode. Therefore write down SH. Okay. We all know in next lecture we discuss the EMF series, and this EMF in this EMF series standard hydrogen electrode, the EMF of standard hydrogen electrode is 0.0 volt. Therefore we write down E cell is equal to EM because this value is 0. Therefore E cell is equal to EMF of next metal electrode. Next is then same as it is E naught cell is equal to E naught M. Then in this cell reaction we calculate the EMF of metal electrode, that is single electrode, because next another electrode is a known potential electrode. For that purpose we write down Nernst equation is second equation becomes write down EM is equal to, because E cell is equal to EM, we can calculate it in first step. Therefore EM is equal to E naught M minus 2.303 RTNF log of activity of metal M upon activity of Mn plus. Okay, next is this is reduced form of metal and this is oxidized form of metal. Then we can write here is EMF of metal M is equal to E naught M minus 2.303 RT upon NF into log of to the base 10, that is activity of oxidized form upon reduced form reduced state or form upon activity of oxidized state. This is equation number 3rd. This is general form to calculate single electrode potential. Okay. Now this equation is applied to any other example, that is here we write down any half cell, that is copper Cu electrode solid to give Cu2 plus ions, and the cell reaction for this electrode Cu2 plus 2 electron to give Cu solid, or this is aqueous. For this cell reaction, the reaction question becomes Q is equal to activity of copper upon activity of Cu2 plus, and the Nernst equation is E metal, that is copper is equal to E naught Cu minus 2.303 RT upon N is number of electron is 2, therefore write down 2f into log of, here write down log to the base 10, that is log of 10 activity of copper Cu upon activity of Cu2 plus. Activity of copper is nothing but reduced form, and activity of copper 2 plus, it is oxidized form. Here we calculate single electrode potential and the point is over. In next lecture we discuss EMF series and the irreversible reaction and reversible reaction. Okay, thank you.